How to become a millionaire fast. This sounds very catchy and tempting. So, what are those four secrets that can help you become a millionaire super fast? Watch this video and subscribe to the channel. And stay with me because right after this, I'm going to share four secrets of becoming a millionaire fast. So, how can you develop an entrepreneurial mindset or a millionaire's mindset? For that, you need to be focused, result oriented, and a risk taker. Entrepreneurship creates wealth. It's a dynamic process through which not only wealth is increased, but also value is being added and improvement in the well being takes place. You actually figure out the pain point of your customer. You find out the gap in the market, and then you focus on that gap and you build your product. First, you introduce your MVP, that is minimum viable product, and then build gradually your product or services, and you add value in your customer or client's life. And by doing that, you are not only impacting their lives and creating an impact in the society as well, but also earning money, which will help you to earn money on a regular basis. So try to increase your income. And how you can do that? You can go for a certification and also go for learning a new skill which is high in demand, and also focus on the passive income channels through which you can earn more money. So that means you need to have some side hustles besides your job or studies if you're doing already, so that you can accumulate wealth and save your money and lower your expenditure so that you can save more money and build your wealth. Another very important thing that we often neglect is that the work hard principle. You need to work hard because there are no shortcuts. You cannot become a millionaire super fast by following any shortcut. There is always a hard work that is involved in achieving your success. So always remember that entrepreneurs are born hustlers. They don't sit quietly. They always want to do something bigger and meaningful. And through that, they earn money. They create impact in the society. You have to come out of your comfort zone. Nobody is going to give you anything on a plate. You have to make efforts, and then you can become a wealthy person. And wealth does not come like that. Wealth only comes with the hard work, because then it will be long lasting. And when you are running your own business or you become an entrepreneur, then you accumulate wealth through revenue and through profit. You then put back into your business and you introduce more product and more service. That's how you retain the customers, and then they become your loyal customers, and then you earn the money, the profit, which is long lasting, and you have that profit and the money coming to you again and again. So success breeds success, and enjoy your own slice of the pie. Work hard and create a dent in the market. Create an impact in the market. Create visibility. Let people know that you're doing something bigger and meaningful. Let people join you, and focus on how you can improve the lives of the people around you. And then definitely your product and services will be a hit, and you will become a successful entrepreneur, and you will become wealthy and a millionaire. So if you're focusing on becoming a millionaire through a shortcut, believe me, there is no shortcut. If you look up to the examples of any famous or successful entrepreneurs or business persons, you will find out that there was only the hard work through which they were able to become what they are now. So if you're focusing on any shortcut, there is no shortcut in life. And I repeat, there is no shortcut to becoming a millionaire, to becoming a wealthy person, or to becoming successful in your life. So focus on the values first. What value you are creating? What are your values? What are your mission? What is your vision? And if you fixed on that, if you focus on that, then you can achieve anything in your life. So persistence and hard work is something that are required for you to become a millionaire. And that can be done super fast if you focus on providing the value, adding the value, and impacting the lives around you through your product or services. Then definitely you can become a millionaire super fast. So this was the secret formula. And the secret formula, once again, I'm saying, is only the hard work. There are no shortcuts at all. So enjoy your own journey because you're passionate about creating a meaningful and a bigger solution in the world to the problems that we are facing. And definitely you're going to be very successful. So all my wishes are with you. And yes, I would like to see you as a millionaire entrepreneur super fast with all the hard work and persistence that you have. Best of luck and happy business.